Welcome to the world of the future. What is cryptocurrency in the guerrilla world? Cryptocurrency is a type of digital or virtual money secured by cryptography. Unlike banana dollars, paper money, cryptocurrency is decentralized, not controlled by a central bank or government. Cryptocurrency transactions are recorded on a public, immutable ledger called the blockchain. Blockchain is like a giant accounting book shared by everyone in the system. This ensures transparency and prevents forgery or data alteration. You need a digital wallet to store your cryptocurrencies. A wallet is protected by a secret string of words, seed phrase, your treasure key. Cryptocurrency enables peer-to-peer P2P transactions without intermediaries like banks. This is a financial revolution, putting money control back into the hands of individual guerrillas. Who created cryptocurrency? It all started with the first coin, Bitcoin. Bitcoin was created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto. The real identity of Satoshi Nakamoto remains one of the biggest mysteries in finance. They released a white paper describing how Bitcoin and blockchain technology work. Since then, Bitcoin has become the gold standard of cryptocurrency, transforming how we view money. How many cryptocurrencies exist today? A lot, and the number keeps changing. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies, altcoins, beyond Bitcoin. The second largest coin is Ethereum, not just money, but a platform for decentralized apps, dApps. Cryptocurrencies can be grouped as currency, Bitcoin, platform, Ethereum, and stablecoins. Stablecoins are pegged to fiat currencies, like banana dollars, to reduce price volatility. What are the similarities and differences between cryptocurrency and banana dollars, fiat money? Similarity 1. Medium of exchange. Both can buy bananas and services. Similarity 2. Store of value. Both can be saved for future use. Similarity 3. Unit of account. Both are used to price goods and services. Similarity 4. Digital form. Banana dollars also exist digitally in bank accounts. In short, in their basic functions, both are money. Difference 1. Control. Banana dollars are controlled by the government and central bank. Cryptocurrency is decentralized, with no single authority. Difference 2. Transparency. Cash transactions are private, known only by the bank. Crypto transactions are public on the blockchain, though user identities remain anonymous. Difference 3. Supply limit. Governments can print endless banana dollars, causing inflation. Bitcoin has a fixed supply, only 21 million, resisting inflation. Difference 4. Physicality. Fiat money is tangible. Cryptocurrency is entirely digital, existing as code. Difference 5. Borders. Fiat is limited by nations and requires conversion. Crypto is borderless, enabling fast, cheap cross-border transfers. Difference 6. Trust. Fiat relies on trust in the government. Crypto relies on math and cryptography, trust in code. Difference 7. Security. Cash can be physically stolen. Crypto can be hacked if wallets aren't secure. Difference 8. Price stability. Fiat is stable unless hyperinflated. Cryptocurrencies, except stablecoins, are highly volatile. Difference 9. Reversibility. Bank transactions can be reversed. Chargeback. Crypto transactions are immutable. Once sent, can't be undone. Crypto represents a move toward a decentralized, code-based financial system. What's the future of cryptocurrency? There are 3 main scenarios. Scenario 1. Store of value. Bitcoin becomes the world's digital gold. Guerrilla investors use it to protect assets from banana dollar inflation. Scenario 2. Global payment system. Crypto replaces slow traditional money transfers. Cross-border banana trades happen instantly and cheaply. Scenario 3. Foundation for Web 3.0. Ethereum and others power a decentralized internet. DeFi, decentralized finance, removes banks from lending and borrowing. NFTs redefine ownership of digital banana art. Threat 1. Government regulation. Governments fear losing control and impose restrictions. Threat 2. Price volatility. Wild price swings hinder daily use. Threat 3. CBDCs, central bank digital currencies. Central banks may launch their own digital money. The future will likely balance decentralized crypto and state-backed digital currencies. Adoption by major corporations and traditional banks is key for crypto's mainstream use. Blockchain can also be used in banana supply chains, elections, and healthcare records. Risks remain: scams, bubbles, and security flaws. For American guerrillas, learn before investing. It's a risky market. Only invest what you're ready to lose and don't follow the herd. The financial future is being rewritten, and crypto is an essential chapter. There will be volatility, but the potential for revolutionizing finance is huge. Decentralization is changing how we think about ownership and trust. Cryptocurrency combines cryptography, economics, and technology. Get ready for a world where banana dollars are no longer the only choice. Whether you support or oppose it, crypto has become an undeniable part of the modern economy. It challenges traditional institutions and empowers individuals. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode of Guerrilla Economics.